Ever wonder why a morning skincare routine matters so much? Well, let me enlighten you. Just like your body needs breakfast to fuel the day, your skin requires some pampering in the morning too. A well-crafted skincare routine is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It contributes significantly to maintaining healthy skin, keeping it resilient against environmental stressors. Think of your skin as a canvas. A good morning skincare routine ensures that this canvas remains clean and primed, ready for whatever the day might bring. It aids in preventing skin issues like breakouts, dryness, or premature aging. Moreover, it enhances your natural beauty, giving your skin a chance to glow from within. So, whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned enthusiast, remember, your skin is an investment, not an afterthought. It's never too late to start caring for it. A consistent skincare routine is crucial for radiant, healthy skin. The first step is understanding your skin type. Just as we all have unique personalities, our skin too has its own unique characteristics. Broadly, skin types can be classified into 4 categories: dry, oily, combination, and sensitive. Dry skin lacks the necessary sebum or oil, making it flaky and prone to premature aging. Oily skin, on the other hand, produces excess sebum, leading to a shiny appearance and the possibility of frequent breakouts. Combination skin is a mix of both dry and oily skin, typically oily in the T-zone and dry elsewhere. Sensitive skin, as the name suggests, reacts easily to different skincare products and environmental factors. Identifying which category your skin falls into is crucial. Why, you ask? Because it helps you choose the right skincare products. The same product won't work equally well for all skin types. So remember, knowing your skin type is the key to effective skincare. Now, unveil the secrets of an ideal morning skincare routine. Let's break this down into 5 essential steps. Each of these steps plays a unique role in keeping your skin radiant, healthy, and youthful all day long. Step 1. Cleansing. Think of cleansing as the foundation of your skincare routine. It's all about cleaning the canvas before you start your masterpiece. And by canvas, I mean your beautiful face. Washing your face with a gentle cleanser helps remove the overnight buildup of oils and impurities. It leaves your skin fresh and ready for the next steps. Step 2. Toning. Toning is like the middleman in your skincare regime. It does a little bit of everything. It restores your skin's natural pH balance, removes any leftover residue post-cleansing, and prepares your skin to absorb the products that follow. Apply it with a cotton pad or your fingers and let it sink in. Now, we're moving on to the third step, applying serum. Serums are like the superheroes of skincare. They're packed with potent ingredients that target specific skin concerns like dark spots, wrinkles, or dehydration. Remember, a little goes a long way. Apply a few drops of your chosen serum and gently pat it into your skin. Fourth on our list is moisturizing. If serums are the superheroes, consider moisturizers as your reliable sidekick. They lock in the serum and provide an extra layer of hydration. Moisturizers keep your skin plump, soft, and glowing. It's like giving your skin a big, comforting hug. And who doesn't love that? The final, and perhaps the most crucial step, is applying sunscreen. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays, prevents premature aging, and reduces the risk of skin cancer. It's the unsung hero of skincare. Apply it generously all over your face and neck, and reapply throughout the day as needed. So there you have it, the 5 essential steps to an ideal morning skincare routine: cleansing, toning, applying serum, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. Each step holds its unique importance in the skincare routine. It might seem like a lot at first, but once you get into the habit, it'll become as natural as brushing your teeth in the morning. And the payoff? Glowing, healthy skin that feels as good as it looks. Remember, each step holds its unique importance in the skincare routine. Choosing the right products is as important as following the steps. Let's dive into this crucial part of your morning skincare routine. When it comes to selecting products, your skin type should be your North Star. If your skin tends to be oily, look for products that can help regulate oil production without stripping your skin of its essential moisture. For dry skin, hydrating and moisturizing products are your best friends. Those with combination skin might need a mix of both, while sensitive skin types should stick to gentle, fragrance-free options. But it's not just about skin type. The quality of the products you choose plays a significant role too. High quality doesn't always mean high cost. There are plenty of affordable options that deliver great results. The key is to look for products that have been dermatologically tested and have positive reviews from users with skin types similar to yours. Now let's talk ingredients. This is where the real magic happens. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid for hydration, salicylic acid for acne, and vitamin C for brightening are all good starting points. But remember, the higher up on the ingredients list, the more of that ingredient is in the product. So if you're after a vitamin C serum, make sure vitamin C isn't at the bottom of the list. Avoiding harmful substances is just as important. Steer clear of products that contain parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. These can irritate the skin and cause more harm than good. Lastly, don't forget about sun protection. Regardless of your skin type, a good broad-spectrum sunscreen should be a non-negotiable part of your morning skincare routine. And yes, even when it's cloudy outside. Choosing the right products for your skincare routine might seem daunting at first, but with a little bit of knowledge and a lot of listening to your skin, it becomes a journey of self-love and care. Invest in good products. Your skin deserves the best. And remember, the best product for you is the one that makes your skin feel good and look its absolute best. Let's recap the morning skincare routine. We've discussed the significance of understanding your skin type, as it's the foundation of any skincare regimen. Whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin, there are products tailored to suit your needs. The routine we've walked through today starts with a gentle cleanse, followed by a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Next, we apply a serum, which is packed with potent ingredients that target specific skin concerns. We then moisturize to hydrate and protect our skin. And finally, we never forget the sunscreen, our shield against harmful UV rays. Consistency is key in skincare. It might seem like a lot, but once you've built your routine, it becomes second nature. Remember, great skin isn't achieved overnight, it's a journey. Start your morning skincare routine today and experience the change. Don't forget to share your journey with us. Now that you're equipped with the secrets to a perfect morning skincare routine, it's time to put these valuable insights into practice. Start your skincare journey today and witness the transformative difference it can make to your skin's health and appearance. If you found this video helpful and want to continue learning about skincare, consider subscribing to our channel as we continue to teach you how to build your skincare routine. Remember, your skin is worth every bit of effort you put into it. Start investing in it today, and you'll reap the benefits for years to come. So, are you ready to embrace a new morning skincare routine? Let's do it together.